The barn house is one of 5 historic buildings on the Clemmons family farm. It's actually a barn and a granary that date back to the late 1700s and that Jack Clemmons restored 20 years ago. The 3 levels of the barn house will have multi-purpose farm-to-art uses. With its 5 spacious rooms full of sunlight and the exposed wooden beams of the original barns, the upper level offers glorious workspace. Through planned collaborations with academic institutions and foundations, this space will be offered through fellowships to visiting artists, writers, and scholars of diverse origins and ethnicities from New England and beyond. The open floor plan of the main level offers what we call floating space that can be used for all kinds of activities, such as pop-up art galleries, occasional pop-up cafes featuring African cuisine and cooking lessons, as well as the cuisines from some of the many other diverse cultures and countries that are now represented in Vermont's communities. The main level will also be used for small social gatherings, lectures or workshops, poetry readings, yoga, Reiki, meditation, and small musical performances. The lower level contains a spacious 2-bedroom apartment, furnished in the Clemmons family's style of farm-to-art rustic elegance. The apartment will be available through fellowships for visiting artists, scholars, and writers, and also available for occasional vacation rentals.